You know, sometimes it's not just about cool socks, it's about cool slippers. So anyway, it's 25 below zero outside. And these are the gloves I normally have with my finger gloves. So I'm trying to find my other gloves. And I could only find one of each glove. Go figure. But some of us do have to work today. It's about 11 o'clock now. I got to be at work about 1, so I figure I'm going to go start my car because it'll probably take 2 hours to get warm. Hey, but I did find these gloves. Might be a little hard to drive in. All right, so let's go see if the car will start up today. People, let's see what 25 below zero wind chill feels like. I went with the finger gloves. Best way I could describe it is, actually it's not too bad right now because the wind isn't blowing. Politically correct, I would say this kind of weather is mentally challenged. That's the word I will go with today. Holy bleep, bleep, bleep. It's freaking cold out here. Oh, there's that wind. Holy crap. All right, let's see if the car will actually start up. It thought about it for a second, but fortunately the car did start up. Here's some water that I left in my car last night. That is like pretty much frozen there. All right, so yeah, now I'm gonna, holy crap, it's cold in this car. I am gonna go back inside and warm up, let the car run for a bit, and then head back out in this crap because I'm hungry. Wind is really blowing now, man. It's just, weather should not hurt. I can feel snot freezing in my nose right now. It's probably TMI, but it's freaking true. My fingers hurt, my face hurts. This part of the video is gonna be real short. I'm going inside. Hey, I actually found my gloves, but the thing with gloves and a phone, it makes it hard to operate the camera, so I don't have my gloves on. So anyway, it's been about 20-25 minutes or so. Oh, burr. So let's see if the car actually got warmed up. I got a couple errands I need to run, and I'm gonna go get me a bite to eat before I go to work. So yeah, it's not that bad when the wind stops, but once that wind kicks up, it's just insane out here. Yes, nice and toasty. A little meter there, that's about right where it normally is. So it actually feels good in here. All right, so I'm gonna go run some errands, get some food, go to work, and then freeze my butt off coming home tonight. So this is what it's like to live in Ohio. The wind chill is 25 below, and appropriately, I need something from 5 below. But this is Ohio, damn it. We don't care how cold it is. When we need something, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it now.